Meet the over 2/under 7% speed bottom, a precision-engineered automation tool designed for high-speed trading on Deriv's 1-second volatility indices. This bot leverages a 120-tick rolling digit distribution engine to continuously analyze the last 120 ticks of market data, focusing specifically on the frequency patterns of digits 0-9. Its core strategy is built around zone probability clustering. The bot monitors two critical zones, the 0-2 zone and the 7-9 zone. When the algorithm detects a statistical bias or clustering of digits within these zones, it prepares for potential breakout opportunities. If the distribution indicates increased probability above the lower digit band, the bot executes an over 2 trade. Conversely, when the upper digit band shows strong statistical presence, it deploys an under 7 trade. This decision framework allows the bot to respond quickly to short-term digit imbalances that occur in fast-moving tick environments. Execution speed is central to its design. The Speed Reaction Execution module ensures trades are placed instantly once the entry conditions are satisfied. This makes the bot highly compatible with 1-second tick markets, where delays can reduce edge. Risk and position management are also integrated. The system supports optional overlapping trades, allowing multiple positions to run simultaneously when signals appear consecutively. Additionally, the bot includes configurable martingale progression, alongside take profit, TP, and stop loss, SL, controls to regulate exposure and lock in gains. The over 2/under 7% speed bottom operates by continuously monitoring the statistical behavior of last digit outcomes within a rolling 120-tick dataset. By analyzing how frequently digits fall within the 0-2 or 7-9 ranges, the bot identifies probability imbalances that may indicate short-term opportunities in fast tick markets. Once a measurable bias is detected, the system immediately executes either an over 2 or under 7 contract. Its speed reaction execution engine ensures that entries occur with minimal delay, which is critical when trading 1-second volatility indices where market conditions shift rapidly. To maintain disciplined operation, the bot integrates structured risk management tools, including configurable take profit, stop loss, and optional martingale progression, allowing trades to be managed systematically while maintaining controlled exposure. Another key capability of the bot is flexibility across different volatility indices. Users can easily switch between available indices, allowing the strategy to operate in multiple market environments without changing the underlying logic. During this demonstration, the bot executed 4 trades, each with a stake of $5. The strategy targeted short, controlled outcomes, producing $1.88 profit per successful trade. All 4 trades were completed successfully, resulting in a total of $7.52 in profit from the session. The system monitored its internal limits and automatically stopped trading once the take profit level was reached. This illustrates the bot's ability to maintain disciplined execution, entering trades based on statistical signals, managing risk through predefined controls, and closing the session once the profit objective is achieved. Get the bot free of charge at www.derivbits.rf.gd. Thank you. Meet the over 2/under 7% speed bottom, a precision engineered automation tool designed